You know that feeling when you walk into a grocery store hungry and walk out with a cart full of stuff you didn't plan to buy and a massive bill? That's exactly how cloud spending works for most companies. In fact, in our recent State of Cloud Cost report, we found that more than half of respondents are overspending in the cloud. And the worst part, they have no idea where that money is going. Up to 30% of their budget just vanishes. It's like buying groceries and leaving an entire bag in the parking lot. Your hard-earned money is slipping through the cracks without you even noticing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop bleeding cash on cloud costs, the #1 mistake companies make when picking a cost optimization platform, and the red flags that could lock you into a bad deal. If you're spending more than you should, then stick around because this could save you a fortune. Let's start with the basics. What's a cloud cost optimization platform? What if I told you your cloud bill doesn't have to be a black box? A cost optimization platform isn't just about seeing the numbers, it's about understanding them. How much is your organization really spending on the cloud? Which teams, features, or customers are driving costs up? And most importantly, are your unit costs shrinking as you scale or quietly eating into your margins? But here's the kicker. Visibility alone isn't enough. A modern platform should do more than just show where the money's going. It should surface insights automatically and make fixing inefficiencies frictionless. Because in the cloud, cost optimization isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about making smarter, data-driven decisions and maximizing the value of every dollar spent. A complete solution can answer all these questions, and then some. But here's the thing. Every business is unique, so how do you figure out which platform is the right fit for you? Alright, so here's a list of must-haves you'll want to have. 100% spending allocation. Yes, even for untaggable costs. Less than 100% cost allocation means leaving room for cost blind spots. So you'll want a platform that can help you assign costs from all your cloud providers, like AWS, Azure, and GCP, to specific teams, projects, products, features, and even customers. Meaning you can get a crystal clear view of what's driving your spending, whether it's a particular product, feature, or part of your organization. Supports multiple cloud providers and services. It's pretty common for growing organizations to juggle multiple cloud providers and services, like Snowflake and Kubernetes, all at once. This multi-cloud approach lets you tap into the strengths each platform has to offer, and your cloud cost platform shouldn't slow you down. That's why having a platform with strong integrations is so crucial. It should bring all your costs together in one place, giving you a clear, unified view no matter which cloud providers or services you're using. You also don't want to waste time switching between multiple dashboards just to piece together cost insights. So the best cloud cost optimization platform should act as your single source of truth, all under one pane of glass, aka a single dashboard. Real-time anomaly detection, powered by AI. The last thing you need is a misconfigured instance silently racking up thousands in cloud costs without delivering real value. With AI-powered anomaly detection, you get real-time support to automatically catch unusual spending patterns or unexpected cost spikes, so you can stay ahead of budget overruns and avoid costly surprises. Customizable reports and financial tracking. Oftentimes, it can feel like DevOps and FinOps are speaking different languages. When cloud costs come in higher than expected, it's like the engineers booked a luxury resort that the finance team never signed off on. Suddenly, there's tension, with each side trying to explain their priorities and find common ground. But with the right cloud cost solution, you can talk to each stakeholder in their language. It's like having a travel planner who understands both their dreams and budget constraints. This way, engineers can innovate without going overboard, and finance can keep costs in check. This turns potential conflicts into shared goals, encouraging a culture of cost awareness, transparency, and collaboration. Meet security and compliance standards. Last time we checked, the average cost of a data breach was over $4.88 million according to IBM. That's a price no business wants to pay. Yet any cloud cost platform you choose will handle sensitive data. That's why security and compliance aren't optional, they're essential. For example, CloudZero is SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, ensuring that your cloud cost data is handled with industry-leading security, availability, and confidentiality controls. And as the first cloud cost optimization platform to achieve SOC 1 Type 2 certification, CloudZero also ensures that its data pipeline can process massive amounts of cost data with high accuracy and reliability. In other words, you get cost optimization that's not only powerful and precise, but also secure and audit ready. Excellent support and documentation. A quality cloud cost optimization platform won't leave you high and dry once you sign on the dotted line. You want a partner who knows their stuff, offering ongoing advice to help you get the most out of your investment. We know this approach works because we've assigned a certified FinOps practitioner to each of our customers for as long as we can remember. The results speak for themselves. Most of our customers report that their CloudZero subscription pays for itself within just 3 months. Now, let's talk about the red flags. Some cost platforms are bare bones, which is fine for simple setups, but if your bills are complex, you'll need to drill down into the details. Be wary of platforms that don't offer granular views. You want the ability to see data down to the hour. This ensures you can spot cost spikes ASAP and swing to action before unexpected cost spikes run through your cloud budget. Second, you should be able to zoom into the specific people, products, and processes that drive your spend. This level of detail lets you not only see what happened and when, but also pinpoint who was involved, what triggered the costs, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Have inadequate integrations. Your platform should ingest cost and usage data from every cloud vendor your organization relies on. Without this, you're working with an incomplete picture of your cloud spend. And it's not just about data collection. Collaboration matters too. Integrations with tools like Slack and Teams ensure engineers get real-time cost anomaly alerts where they work, so they can stay informed and act fast. This isn't a nice to have, it's a must. If a platform lacks these integrations, you could be setting yourself up for vendor lock-in, making it harder and more expensive to switch later. Limited compatibility with other tools and cloud providers can lead to hidden costs, manual workarounds, and reduced flexibility as your needs evolve. Choosing a platform with robust integrations helps ensure you stay in control, not stuck. Charge fees based on the number of users. This can also take different forms, such as pricing based on the volume of data ingested, a percentage of your spend, or a per-seat model. The thing is, you don't want to add another unpredictable cost to the existing conundrum you're trying to solve. So, what do you do instead? Instead, you look for a provider that offers steady, predictable pricing, including the flexibility to account for temporary spikes. A good vendor won't immediately charge you more the moment your cloud spend increases. Instead, they'll allow multiple months to confirm whether the rise is sustained or just a seasonal fluctuation, so you're not hit with unexpected costs for the short-term changes. If you're looking for a platform that hits all the crucial points we mentioned in this video, we recommend that you check out CloudZero. To start, CloudZero gives your team a detailed view of all your cloud costs, even if you have less than perfect tagging. CloudZero is also the first platform to accurately deliver unit costs like cost per customer, feature, team, and even cost per request. And yes, you get this level of insight across shared, containerized, and non-containerized resources. Second, CloudZero works seamlessly with the services you already use. This includes major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP, as well as services like Kubernetes, Snowflake, Databricks, Datadog, New Relic, MongoDB, OpenAI, and Anthropic. You'll have a holistic view of your cloud costs all in one place. Third, CloudZero delivers timely, noise-free, and context-rich cost anomaly alerts directly to your inbox or even Slack. Handy for revealing root causes quickly and preventing surprise costs. Better yet, we'll hook you up with a designated, certified FinOps account manager for ongoing coaching and support. The same experts who have helped companies like Salesloft and Upstart cut their annual cloud spend by millions. These are just a handful of the many helpful features the platform offers. So, if you're ready to take control of your cloud spending, schedule a demo today and see why so many SaaS companies have chosen to work with CloudZero.